Hey guys, Crypto Dad here again, and I just wanted to do a quick video on how you can claim your free Ledger recovery key if you are a current Ledger Flex or Ledger Stax owner. It's really easy. All you have to do is click on the link that I'm going to provide below and then go to the page and verify that you are in fact an owner of one of these devices. I'll show you how to do it. It's really easy. So I have the link. This is an earlier video that I did, but I will also put this link in the current video. All you have to do is scroll down to the description. If you don't see the full description, just hit show more, and then just click this link. It'll take you right to the Ledger page where you can claim your free Ledger recovery key if you are a current owner of a Ledger Stax or a Ledger Flex. Unfortunately, the Ledger recovery key does not work with the Ledger Nano S Plus or the Ledger Nano X because neither of those devices has NFC connectivity. So this device will only work with a device with NFC, which is near field communication. All right, so all we have to do is click here to unlock the deal. And then you want to get out your device. You want to make sure that it's connected to your computer with a USB cable and that you have unlocked it. Make sure that you've entered the PIN and that it is unlocked. Now, don't be worried. You're not going to be signing any transactions or putting your crypto at risk. The only way that any crypto can go out is when you actually sign transactions. You're simply connecting your device just like you would do to MetaMask or any other third-party wallet that you are securing with a Ledger device. So all we have to do is click Connect Ledger. Notice this window comes up at the top. I don't have to do anything on the device. It just has to be unlocked and connected. So we'll click Connect, and then it tells me that I'm eligible. Easy peasy, right? Just say I'm not a robot. You might have to jump through some hoops here. If that doesn't work, you might have to do a CAPTCHA. We're all familiar with these little annoying things on the internet. And there we go. So now it's unlocked. Let me move myself out of the way a little bit here so you can see what's going on. And now I'm ready to buy now. So I'll just click Buy It Now. And it's going to take me to the Ledger website. Of course, you need to sign in. I'll go ahead and get myself signed in. And then I'm just going to have to pay $6 worth of shipping. So, which is not bad for a device that normally costs $39. All right, the claim code has already been applied. So I'll just click Continue to Shipping. And I'll just do Standard Courier. And that's it. That's all you have to do to get one free. So if you like this device and you want to improve your the managing of your backups, it's incredible. I did a video. It's so easy to set up during the setup process, and then you can also go into your settings and manage a new card if you want to create multiple cards, and then the restores are a breeze. It just took me less than a minute to do a full restore on my Ledger device using this backup key. It's so much better than manually typing in your 24-word recovery phrase. So if you have any questions about anything I said, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered.